Add condensed milk to some bananas and you will be surprised by the result. Start by peeling 4 medium bananas. Next, cut them in half, just like this. Repeat this process with all the bananas. Now, in a square dish, add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, covering the whole bottom of the dish. Add the halved bananas, making layers just like this. Next, add 395 grams of condensed milk and spread it all over the dish. After that, sprinkle cinnamon powder on top of the condensed milk. Take the dish to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 35 minutes. But keep an eye out. Baking time may vary depending on the power of your oven. Meanwhile, in a medium bowl, add 170 milliliters of whipped cream, and using an electric mixer, mix very well. Take this time to share this video and write in the comments section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. This is the right consistency. Next, using 2 spoons, top the dessert we prepared with this whipped cream and spread it well until you get an even layer. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Once you've done that, sprinkle cinnamon powder to taste. Take the dessert to the fridge and let it chill for at least 35 minutes. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comments section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.